My name is Joanne Tanner, and I'm the Group CFO of Decision Inc. In this episode, we will be discussing leveraging enterprise planning to drive finance transformation. Finance transformation is a broad term that typically refers to the process of rethinking and redesigning the finance function in order to achieve specific goals, such as increased efficiency, cost savings, and improved decision-making. In recent years, enterprise planning has emerged as a key enabler of finance transformation. Enterprise planning is a holistic approach to planning that takes into account all of the organization's stakeholders, objectives, and constraints. By leveraging enterprise planning, finance organizations can develop more effective plans that are better aligned with the overall strategy of the business. In turn, this can lead to improved financial performance and a competitive advantage for the organization. Join me in the next episode, where we will be discussing enterprise planning as a strategic tool, not just a process.